Dear students, welcome back. In previous video, you have learned equation of a straight line parallel to x-axis. Here in this one, you will be learning equation of a straight line parallel to y-axis. So we will consider only the straight lines which are parallel to y-axis. Let AB be a straight line parallel to y-axis. Let's draw a line. This is AB and this one is parallel to y-axis. And let us suppose the distance between these two parallel lines be A. And we have written it here. AB is a straight line which is at a distance A from y-axis. Distance between y-axis and the line AB is A. Let's take a point on a straight line AB. Here it is. Now let's write its coordinate. Its coordinate is A, 1 because the line is at a distance A, horizontal distance from A from y-axis, and this vertical is 1. So its coordinate is A, 1. Another point here, its coordinate is A, 2. Horizontal distance from the y-axis is A and vertically it is 2 here. So its coordinate is A, 2. One more point, its coordinate is A, 3. Point here in the fourth quadrant, its coordinate is A, -1. Let's see the nature of each point on the line we have taken it here. Here, the y coordinate varies, but x coordinate is same in all the points, which is equals to a. That a is distance between the two parallel lines, that is y-axis and the line AB. So we have written it here. The x coordinate of every point on AB is a. Now let's take arbitrary point on the line AB. Let Px, y be any point on the line AB. And also let's draw PM perpendicular to y-axis. Starting from P, let's draw PM perpendicular to y-axis. Now according to this coordinate Px, y, this PM is x, because for this coordinate Px, y, from here origin, the distance is x and the height is y here, so that this PM becomes x. By the property of the parallel lines that they are at equidistance everywhere, the value of x will be a. That is, this x and a must be equal. X equals to a. So the required equation of AB is x equals to a. Hence, we can conclude that equation of a straight line parallel to y-axis and at a distance a from y-axis is x equals to a. Now let's use it to solve the problems related to straight lines. Example 1. Find the equation of a straight line parallel to y-axis and lying at a distance of 5 units right of it. Here there are two conditions given. The first one is the line is parallel to y-axis and the line is 5 units right of y-axis. Let's draw the straight line according to these conditions. This line is at distance of 5 units here. So distance from y-axis to the line 5 units. This is value of a here. We know that any line parallel to y-axis, its equation is x equals to a. So we write it here, the equation of line, it is x equals to a. From figure, we have value of a is 5. Substitute the value in our required equation here. So the required equation becomes x equals to 5. One more example. Example 2. Find the equation of a straight line parallel to y-axis and lying at a distance of 2 units left of it. Here also, two conditions are mentioned in the question. The first one is the line is parallel to y-axis and the second one is it is 2 units left of it. So here the coordinate axis is here, straight line which is parallel to y-axis and it is 2 units left of it. Since it is 2 units left, value of a becomes minus 2. As we know, any straight line parallel to y-axis, its equation is x equals to a. Let's substitute the value of a from figure here. A equals to minus 2. We will get it as x equals to minus 2. And shifting 2 to the left hand side, we will get it as x plus 2 equals to 0, which is the required equation of the straight line according to the question. One more example. Example 3. Find the equation of a straight line parallel to y-axis and passing through the point 4, minus 6. Again here, there are two conditions mentioned in the question. The first one is the line parallel to the y-axis. The line is parallel to y-axis and it passes through the point 4, minus 6. Let's plot the point 4, minus 6. It is here. The line will pass through it and it must be parallel to y-axis. Here it is. This line is at distance 4 units from the y-axis and it lies on the right side of the y-axis. So value of a is 4. We know any line parallel to the y-axis is x equals to a. From figure, we have value of a is 4. Substitute this value to our required line over here and we will get the result x equals to 4, which is the equation of required line that is parallel to y-axis and passing through 4, minus 6. Shifting 4 to the left hand side, we will get it x minus 4 equals to 0. This is the result. Okay students, this much for now. We will be discussing more about straight lines in next video. Thank you.